he needs a girl who is intelligent. If a person needs a girl who is intelligent, you came, you are beautiful, you spoke well, he was impressed by you. But after some time, he came to know you don't have any knowledge. Till when your relationship will survive? I just want to know. Because of you people actually prioritizing beauty, there are divorce.
Oh my God!
Women are facing sexual harassment, violence in the organization. In interviews, managers and all the seniors prefer girls who are beautiful because for their pleasure, not for the company.
Oh my God!
And after you get the job, you are working here, but you are not safe in that environment because you came here not because of your knowledge. You came here because of the attractiveness.
Without knowledge, you can't beautify yourself.
Why not? Why not? How can you say?
Yeah, I'm saying
If you don't have patience to gaining knowledge, so how can you gain knowledge? It means your beauty. Yes.
You don't know Mona Lisa? See,
And I'm so happy.
So in this panel talk today, what have you decided to talk?
Sir, we have decided on the beauty, sir.
On the beauty.
Yes, sir.
So means in this panel talks, the discussion is going to be on beauty versus knowledge, right?
Yes, sir.
So are you beautiful or knowledgeable?
Sir, of course, we are beautiful, sir.
You're beautiful.
Yes, sir.
But the word beautiful is used for a girl.
No, sir.
So are you beautiful?
No, sir. Actually, sir, I'm talking about this beauty, not talking about outer beauty.
You're talking about the beauty of intelligence, right? So what do you think that you can win today in this panel talks?
So of course, sir, today we will win.
We will win or we will win?
Sir, we will win.
That's good. All right, so please just stand up here.
Thank you, sir.
You have to face like this, right? All right, from there I would like to welcome Miss Muskan. Please come on in this panel. So you are from beauty, right? You are going to represent beauty. You are going to represent knowledge, right? So what do you truly think that which is more important?
I think knowledge is more important.
Well, so here in this panel, we are going to invite everybody. So you yourself will be presenting your batch or group, or everybody is going to present?
Everybody is going to represent the group, and everybody is going to put their opinions.
That's beautiful. So what is the motive of this talk today? I mean, are you just going to make people aware, or you are simply going to improve your English speaking only?
Both.
Both.
I just want that I should have everybody should think about this concept, apply on their lives, and make good choices for themselves. Prioritize knowledge over beauty.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So could you please tell one thing which is very and very important to have beauty actually, right? Because nowadays, of course, beauty matters, right? Yes. Everybody is knowledgeable, everybody has knowledge, but somewhere or the others, beauty is considered more. So can you please tell one of the reasons that you think beauty is more important?
So not some ways or the others, everywhere.
Excuse me.
Everywhere, sir. Beauty is important. Sir, beauty is how to represent yourself. That's beauty.
Excuse me. To represent oneself,
Yes, sir.
is it a beauty, or what do you think?
I don't think so that it is needed everywhere. Beauty is a very subjective concept. What I think is beautiful.
But the way he has said, excuse me, the way of presentation and representation, it's not about knowledge. That's a beauty, of course, right?
Yeah.
Like right now, the way you're speaking, excuse me, this action, I appreciate that. That's a beauty, you know.
But I know to be a good influencer, I need to make hand
Why?
gesture.
Because you gave importance on this, right?
Yeah.
So
That is, I had knowledge that if I have to emphasize on a particular topic or word, I have to make hand gestures. That is the knowledge.
That's what he said. That's what he said. The way you are speaking, that's your beauty. What you have here, what you're speaking here, that's your knowledge.
That is why I'm able to speak, na?
Oh my goodness.
I had something.
Sir, she can tell on this.
Like this as well, of course.
But she is doing this. This is the beauty of.
Excuse me.
I know. To communicate better, I have to make hand gestures. And and I have modulated that. I have made modifications so that it can make a more impact.
It means you need that beauty, right? Now, exactly, of course.
Without a knowledge,
The way
without
you
a
are-
brain, how can I make something beautiful?
In a language, when a person has modulation, that's the beauty of his language.
Yeah.
Uh,
But
uh,
if
yeah.
I apply modulation and I speak rubbish, do you understand? Will you be able to understand anything?
Excuse me, you should talk to him on this
Sir,
point.
it means she needs the beauty. That's why.
Excuse me.
I will speak. Are you able to understand? This is modulation.
It means she has knowledge, but she don't have beauty. That's why.
Oh,
Yes, sir, that's why.
oh my.
You said about the modulation. Na? I'm applying modulation.
Ma'am,
to my
modulation
voice,
is a-
but I'm not
modulation is
saying
a-
something like something that you can
Exactly,
understand.
exactly. See, having the knowledge of using modulation is also a knowledge.
Yeah.
You need to understand.
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir.
Sir.
said yes.
As you know, here she said that ki the way I'm using my gesture. So how did I come to know about it?
Yeah.
I just came to know that I have to do like this.
That's
It's a
why
knowledge.
that in order to become more influential, you have to use hand gestures.
Of course.
And
And
how much?
she came to
what
know about it.
to
And
what
knowing
in-
something is
yeah,
knowledge.
To what intensity? That is knowledge.
Did you understand that?
Ask Mr. Cap, sir, when I was not able to speak words, but words, but right now I am able to
you
speak.
didn't have knowledge to speak.
No. I have knowledge to speak. How?
well, you can't
No,
speak.
no, ma'am. At that time,
All right. I'm
Sir
just
is
going
teaching,
to.
right here. Sir is teaching how to speak.
Exactly.
They are not making some changes in your inner
Well,
self.
just wait for a while. I would like to invite your members as well, so that they can have this great talk, right? I would like to welcome everybody, please. Knowledgeable people, come here, and beautiful people, come here. Hurry up, come. Okay, everybody. So here, one of our members was trying to say that however Muskan speaks or however people speak using gesture and all, that's a beauty, right? Yes. You guys have to prove why it is, and you guys have to prove why it is not. Well, so I welcome you all. Well, we will be standing here, we will be sharing opinion and talking to people, right? So may I know, please, who would like to share the first opinion in the favor of knowledge? Who would like to? Excuse me, they don't have knowledge. To speak about knowledge. No.
Thank you, sir, for asking me. And I think knowledge is more important than beauty because knowledge is a frame of any beauty. Knowledge is a base of any beauty. Yes, I am right. That's why you are clapping.
You have to clap, right?
Yes. Knowledge is a sir frame of any beauty. Why I am saying this? As everyone saying that if you have beauty of speaking, you have beauty of character, but you have knowledge that I have to do this and I have to not do this.
I don't have to do this.
I don't have to do this. Then what I have to do, I am doing. Then I can beautify my character. That is knowledge.
Okay.
And as second example, as Rehan said that Rohit Sharma playing a pull shot, and you mentioned there.
Before a while.
You mentioned that Rohit Sharma playing a pull shot is the beauty of Rohit Sharma. We are talking about. You are saying, but Rohit Sharma has knowledge how to play a pull shot, how to make a beautify that shot,
How to beautify.
how to beautify that shot. That's why it looks a very beautiful shot. He practiced lots. He make
practiced a lot, yes.
Yeah, he practiced a lot, and we know that Rohit Sharma hit by a ball on his face. After that, he worked on that.
He walked.
He worked on that bouncer ball, and after working lots of time, then he can able to play a pull shot.
Now he's able to.
The technique of playing Rohit Sharma is a knowledge of how to play a pull shot. That's why we said that Rohit Sharma pull shot is looking very beautiful. So that's all from my side.
Very nice.
But without knowledge, you can't beautify yourself.
Why not? Why not? How can you say?
Yeah, I'm saying
If you don't have patience to gaining knowledge, so how can you gain knowledge? It means your beauty. Yes.
automatically can
Let me example.
If Rohit Sharma
Let
do not learn how to play a pull shot, he automatically is sleeping and he can play a pull shot. How he
they
can
are-
play pull shot while sleeping? He
Arey.
take knowledge, he take.
There are many cricketers who play better than Rohit Sharma.
It comes by, by
Better-
practices.
Better than Rohit Sharma.
But they do not have to beautify the shot. That's why they are not playing in Indian cricket team. You know?
Bro, what, sir? I am saying that Rohit Sharma pull shot is beautified by the knowledge, by the technique. What's more important, knowledge of that playing that pull shot or beauty?
Of course, beauty.
Oh, sir.
Beauty.
After
Sir, I would give example of Kumbh Mela. Okay, in Kumbh Mela, everyone listen about Mona Lisa. Okay, she have knowledge. If she have knowledge,
Does she have knowledge?
she has knowledge. You don't know Mona Lisa?
You should increase the knowledge. Yes, sir.
Listen, she is even not able to speak and express herself, and she is getting role in movies and concert and songs.
I just want to ask till when she will be famous? For 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years, till when?
Why that beauty?
By the beauty.
I don't know.
Like in the next.
I cannot change.
Someday you will find a
After some time
person who
cannot
has a
change.
better eyes than her. Then you will start praising
The
her.
point is that
Competition are everywhere.
So the definition of beauty is actually changing, and it is not constant. It is temporary. The standards
Not
are increasing
temporary.
every
Not
day.
temporary.
It is temporary.
Ms. Kahkasa wanted to say that because of this Kumbh, because of this beauty, a poor girl became famous. Now she is going to work in Bollywood industry as well.
Because of her eyes only.
No, let me tell you, because of just beauty, right?
Just
because
beauty.
of beauty.
Okay.
Now you need to
I just-
understand
I
that.
will-
Now you need to understand that because of beauty, a poor is also able to become rich. you
Okay,
need to
okay. Just
understand
tell
that.
me, when she will go to the industry, will the directors not teach him how to act?
Why not? But.
knowledge.
That is knowledge, na?
Knowledge is.
What is he talking about?
By eyes she can't act.
Ma'am,
Sir, by beauty of eye, she can act.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
by beauty
okay,
eyes
okay,
you
okay,
can't act,
okay.
sir.
Even I
Producer
have a beautiful
knowledge.
eyes.
Okay, okay,
Why people are not
okay,
casting me?
okay. Okay. Producer have knowledge, okay? Has knowledge, much knowledge, okay? So why he can't roll like hero in movie?
Because he has knowledge. Because he has knowledge of directing, not acting.
Okay,
Sir, I want to tell you that producer, sir, every work was distributed,
It's not
producer and director and actor, everyone work was distributed. That's why they can't work. They are a producer, not actor. They are not actor.
Second example, okay? Rajpal Yadav and like वो क्या? Johnny Lever. They have knowledge, okay? But they don't have beauty to become a hero.
So due to knowledge they become a hero.
They have
No, they don't have beauty.
They do not have beauty, then
they
also they
don't
become a
play.
famous.
Yes.
Famous actors.
Listen,
Not that handsome.
listen.
Then also they became famous.
No.
I prefer seeing a comedy
They
movie.
don't have beauty.
if you yourself answered here, it means if you're not beautiful, then too you can become famous. Then too you can be famous.
sir,
Like you
no,
gave
sir.
example of Rajpal Yadav, he was
sir,
not looking
sir,
handsome, but
no,
still
sir.
he became.
No, sir. He is not beautiful, but he has knowledge. Okay, knowledge much better than any hero and heroine. There are many hero and heroines.
That is what I am saying.
Listen. Sir, listen to my topic. There are many hero and heroines. ठीक है? They are better than them. Okay, but they can't act like a hero, and they can't have role of hero. So how can we say that knowledge is important? Beauty also matters. If beauty don't matters, Rajpal Yadav also become a hero, main lead
Okay.
role. Yes,
Okay, this is what you were trying to
Point
say.
is that.
Points is that.
Yeah, I completely understand that. You were saying that Rajpal Yadav has more knowledge
Haan.
of how to act
Haan.
from apart from all the actors that are already doing the acting, but still he is not casted in the main role.
Main role.
He is casted in the comedy roles. That is what you will say. So because he has the knowledge how to make people laugh, but don't have the
This
knowledge
is
how
the
to act.
beauty. This is the beauty. It's not knowledge.
What
It's beauty.
What beauty?
You know
To
the
make
degree
people
of
laugh.
Rajpal
You
Yadav.
know, if you make this, people will laugh.
Knowledge is not about a degree.
Oh, okay, not about degree, but you know how much knowledge he have.
Knowledge, yeah, knowledge of
He has
acting and
knowledge of
implementing
acting.
it
He has
is very
knowledge of-
different thing. He has never acted as a main lead in the film.
Beauty. Implementing
Rajpal
is
Yadav has knowledge how to make people laugh. That's why he are able to make a people laugh.
it's a beauty of him.
It is a beauty. How to act, how to acting, it is a beauty.
There are many stand-up comedian, but they are not able to
Able to make.
able to make people laugh because they
Because their
don't
joke
have
are not-
beauty of implementation like.
Yes.
Because you know, in in the comedy there was one rule we can say speak and stop rule. That give a joke and stop for a second. They have a knowledge about that. That
Knowledge-
how when and how I give my joke.
Exactly.
I implement my joke. They have knowledge about that.
It is a beauty, na, sir?
A person who is comedian, he also needs to have knowledge where and how to speak. Are you getting the point or not? If he is standing in an auditorium, he needs to understand the people that how I have to speak here. So here you need to increase knowledge. What line, what punchline a person needs to use. Yes,
Sir,
right.
if we don't have beauty of gaining knowledge, so how can we gain knowledge?
It is the curiosity of gaining knowledge.
Why you are adding beauty in every word? Beauty,
Because it is about beauty.
Beauty is getting
Okay, wait. Okay, I have.
technical support.
Oh, excuse me, I'm so sad, guys. All in all, you want to say that knowledge is something that can let you survive anyhow. Yes. Right?
Okay. You know Dolly Chaiwala? You know Dolly Chaiwala? You know his degree?
No.
No. He is famous than us. It is a beauty.
Yes, that's a knowledge.
It is a beauty.
Role, like how to express his beauty. It's
How to
all-
express his beauty?
Yes, exactly. They act like
Acha,
a
haan,
different.
the way he-
Yes, exactly like that.
That's his beauty.
Yes.
Can you do that? Huh? Don't you know Dolly Chaiwala? No, he does.
Because of the tea.
No.
Because of what?
Hey, because of the
Muskan ma'am, listen. Muskan ma'am.
So.
Famous because of this, not because of tea. Wow.
No. He
No,
don't
wait. Ma'am, don't underestimate. Sir, it is his quality and it is his beauty
Yes.
to do publicity.
Yes, sir, exactly.
He wants to promote his business. That's why he's using it.
But sir, he has knowledge that what I do, then I can make a publicity.
He knows that if I do this,
What a cock and bull story he's making.
It's
This is
not-
completely cock and bull story, sir. Muskan, everyone, please tell me honestly. Everybody knows how to make tea, right?
Yeah.
Everybody knows.
Yes.
But if a person who has beauty of selling, he will be able to sell.
Everybody do not have knowledge of how to sell and how to publicity our
If you have beauty, you can sell your tea. Tea. So everybody has knowledge. Don't you know how to make tea? Tell me honestly. Everybody knows how to make tea, right? But a person who has beauty of selling, oh my God, he can become rich.
if your product is not good, who will buy it? Just tell me.
Even if your product is not good, but if you have beauty of selling, you can sell it.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Oh, she accepted. Thank you very much.
Nobody will come again.
Nobody.
You can deceive people for one time.
No. It's not like that, deceiving anybody. It's about how beautifully you are advertising your product. How beautifully you are presenting that. Let Prachi speak. Yes.
Even if your product
Ma'am, if you have a knowledge, you made a wonderful product, but you need to present a beautiful person.
Yes.
You need to do that.
If your product is good, but you don't have beauty of selling that, how
Yes,
will you be able to?
exactly.
How will you be? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not?
Not a beauty of selling, knowledge of selling.
No, exactly, don't. Like first impression, if you're looking good, if you have a beauty, peoples and person are already attract you.
People will listen to you.
Yes, sir, exactly.
You will
because
become
of beauty.
confident, right?
Yes.
Beautiful.
And it's a first impression. People can't judge by your knowledge and degree. That time it's a looking you when first you create a first
People
impression.
will look at you, right?
Yes, sir.
They can't judge your knowledge. That is secondary. But the primary is your
Beauty, sir.
beauty, of course. I really appreciate that point. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Well, do you have any question, please? Come
Obviously.
on. Please.
So you are saying that impression, the first impression should
Yes,
be very
exactly.
good. Okay, so I think after some time he will get to know about the true side of yourself. Then what?
You know the one word, first impression is the last impression.
If he needs a girl who is intelligent, if a person needs a girl who is intelligent, you came, you are beautiful, you spoke well, he was impressed by you. But after some time he came to know that you don't have any knowledge. Till when your relationship will survive? I just want to know. Because of you people actually prioritizing beauty, there are divorce.
Oh my God!
Women are facing sexual harassment, violence in the organization. In interviews, managers and all the seniors prefer girls who are beautiful because for their pleasure, not for the company.
Oh my God!
And after you get the job, you are working here, but you are not safe in that environment because you came here not because of your knowledge. You came here because of the attractiveness.
Ma'am, like this kind of
Being attractive itself is a very temporary phase. Attractiveness gets fade away with time.
No.
It was impression, right?
No impression. That is what that we have to make impression. We become more attractive. She said, "Na attractive."
You need to make the impression which can be everlasting,
Yeah.
which can be long lasting. For 2 seconds or 3 seconds, you are maintaining the impression.
Sir, it's not for 2 seconds. It's the first impression. If your impact on the person, if you first time, you will meet a first time.
So she made a point that what if secondary, what if he finds you not knowledgeable? He will leave you,
Yeah.
right?
You are very attractive and go on stage and you are not able to
lifelong.
speak.
Yes, exactly.
if you are knowledgeable,
It will help you initially, but it won't help you to survive for long. It is not a lifelong thing.
it's a you just by look. If the person have a knowledge, but he has not to show his knowledge.
He's
So
not able to show his knowledge.
knowledge. So what they will do?
Okay. You saying that, but when I'll talk to him a little bit, I will come to know that he is like an introvert person. I'll try to make him more familiar with me, try to like talk a little bit. After that, he will be comfortable with me. He will start sharing thoughts.
And you know the one
will
line,
start
a very important line, what makes you speak is knowledge.
Yeah.
Exactly. What makes you speak? Right now you're speaking. What is coming? What is coming in your mind? That's the knowledge, right?
Some
Yes.
real life experiences.
Prachi.
But sir, I have a like a beauty of express my thoughts.
Ma'am, what is making you speak? Tell me first of all. Are you putting
you must be
in
taught some words.
exactly
A for apple, B for ball.
whatever you're thinking? It is just something is making you speak, right? That's knowledge.
It's my beauty, sir.
Excuse
How
me?
to express myself. And ma'am said that like beauty is knowledge is more than beauty. So if I am knowledgeable, but I can't express my thoughts, and I can't reply to politely. If I have knowledge, I fight to her. That time, what is the knowledge of? What is the knowledge? It's my beauty to replied and listen to her. It's my beauty. That kind is also.
Ma'am, you're having knowledge that where to talk, how to talk, right? Exactly. If you're gonna fight, you need to fight if it requires. right? The fight is also important. You need to have knowledge that.
Sir,
You need
but
to
it's
have knowledge about that.
According to situation, sir. It's according to
Ma'am,
situation.
Knowledge can make you speak, but knowledge can make you speak, but it is your own to become a good leader. You can actually work on yourself and become a good leader. But the basic thing that you should have is knowledge, na. You can make amendments. You can do modification in your speed, in your speech. Do modulation, have a great impact. But what is the core? The words that you are speaking. That is knowledge.
It's also become a beauty is if you have a knowledgeable, okay, you show your knowledge, but you can't able to speak like how to speak that time. It's a beauty, not some knowledge.
Knowledge can make you speak, but beauty can make you speak more fluently. Okay, but what is the core, yaar? If you can't speak, what is the meaning of being fluent, yaar?
Exactly.